So what you see mostly where the continental blocks are used were in forklifts.
This is gorgeous, it says. It's a garwood from Priest Lake. Big one. Donna Rosa. It's a grand craft made in Holland, Michigan. Wow, really nice. I see that he was here in the 2010 Coeur d'Alene Wooden Boat Festival. Beautiful. So we're just sitting on the floating boardwalk, and this is a nice venue. A lot of nice, beautiful boats, some for sale. And behind us is Lake Coeur d'Alene.
We're just missing it right before it's supposed to rain tomorrow and all weekend, so luckily we had a good day.
Yeah.
And they didn't have it last year because of COVID, so we went when, 2019?
Yeah.
So
And
yeah,
it's not too cold, not too warm. It's actually perfect weather.
I could wear a sweater. I'm so excited.
Here's a Chris Craft from Texas. A 59 Chris Craft Sportsman. Nicely done. I like the console over there. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, right.
This is from Montana. Chris Craft. Chris Craft Continental, it says. Yeah.
So what year is it? Helps to be told. See all of them.
I think it's a 1942.
Hey,
I know my boat.
good guess. Of course, Lisa finds this. It's a bartender.
Exactly.
Okay. Is it walnut? No. Oh, sepia?
This is a 58 Chris Craft Continental. Name of this boat is Pinks. It's from Ocampo. Some people will be familiar with that. It's a wine area in California. 1956 Chris Craft Continental. Doesn't have a top on it, but it's still a beautiful boat. Lincoln, California. I know.
Where you going? Oh, the other one.
Another Chris Craft. This is a 47. It's a utility from San Jose, California. Very bare bones, but very functional too.
That's from Mountain View, right?
Yeah. Was fuzz. And here's one from Mountain View. Must be neighbors.
Fin
What a
and
beauty.
tonic. Oh,
Fin and tonic, cool.
that's a great name.
Because of the fins. See the fins?
Very cool. I like it.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Pretty colors too.
Yes, very. That's Fin and Tonic, gang. It's another Chris Craft 61 from Danville, California. Here's a 48 Chris Craft Sportsman Deluxe from Oregon. Very simple. It's a very nice one here. This is a 58 Can't go wrong with that year. Century Coronado. It's got a sliding convertible top. Very pretty interior. Nice gauges. Yeah, that's beautiful. I like this Century. Crusader, it says. It's a nice one too. There's a Chris Craft Holiday. Look at it. It's got like T-tops. Washington. Holds a lot of people. Very unique rear stern, I should say.
Yeah, I would put my and so Don called me 3 days later and goes, "Oh, it was home built, so."
Yeah. This is pretty cool. I like the sign. Pretty. There's a 42 Chris Craft barrel back triple. Beautiful. Just a real nice assortment of boats here.
It's kind of I know.
Jennifer, this is for you. Although you're our first Jennifer. Oh. Renegade 3. It's a Riva. Oh, that's beautiful. Riva are Italian-made boats. Renegade 3. Very nice.
Maybe I'll just go inside that.
65 Chris Craft. Oh, sorry, 46 Chris Craft. Hopland. And this is one that is a Chris Craft Cobra. It's got the little wing in the back. Not very many of these, but I see this guy owns a couple boats. Another one of his boats.
And the 3 Steve's so excited too.
And then we've got a racing boat. This looks like it might be one of the newer ones. Yeah, this is a Coeur d'Alene Custom.
Oh, it's moving, isn't it?
It's by Hagedorn. Beautiful woodwork. Yeah, that's a beauty right there. And this was Mr. Hagedorn's boat. It's called the Sizzler. It's a big sailboat. Normally it would take, I think they said a crew of, was it 7 or 9, babe? But it can be operated by one person. So I saw this recently on a Facebook post. This is the Steinway. It was built for Wayne Gretzky by Hagedorn Marine. Excuse me, folks. Canadian flag for the Canadian hockey player. A 3-hour tour, a 3-hour tour. Beautiful boat. This looks like that one that was in the...
This is Hollywood.
Yeah. We're at a little outdoor kind of patio grill place. It's called the Buoy. It's right next to the resort, the Coeur d'Alene Resort, and it's overlooking the water and Tubbs Hill.
Hi there, we are at the Coeur d'Alene Classic Wooden Boat Show. That's today and tomorrow, September 17th and 18th. Luckily, we made it because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. That's Tubbs Hill. and we are having lunch here. That's where they're having the classic boat show on the floating boardwalk. And there's the resort right there. Anyways, it's a cute little place. Beautiful day. Overcast.
Go ahead. We'll practice.
This restaurant started off as a boat that was out on the lake. You could drive your boat up, and then 4 years ago they bought out this building, and now we do full service here. We have alcohol, really great sandwiches, and it's called the Buoy.
And it's not associated with the Hagedome, which is what I asked.
Yep.
So it's separate by itself.
Yep.
And I see Kiwanis have something to do with it, or Rotary, or who?
No, the Rotary. It's just the building was put in by the Rotary Club
nice.
when they put in this park. This park hasn't been here for very long. I think it's only been here like the last 5 or 6 years.
And that park is?
McEwen.
Cool.
Yep, McEwen Park.
Well, thank you.
Yeah,
And what was your name again?
My name's Kylia.
Kylia.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Thank you. And here's a little icing on the cake. An aqua car is out on Lake Coeur d'Alene right now, just like at the boathouse in Orlando, which is the largest group of those aqua cars now. Very cool. Okay, everyone, so we're done with the boat show, and we want to really thank you for coming along on this journey with us, adventure with us. And got a new hat, by the way. If you like this channel, please give us a thumbs up, and we hope that you subscribe. So,
It was a good day.
yeah,
Met some nice people, a lot of people from where we moved from, actually. We met a couple from El Dorado Hills.
yep.
So it's a very small world.
So there's our car. We're about to go. Until the next journey, bye.
Bye.